Okay guys, so as you saw in the video, this laundry machine right over here, it was vibrating. So this is what actually happened. Before we got this laundry machine, our old laundry machine was broken, so we had to get a new one. But then it started vibrating, and like so loudly, as you saw in the video, that the dryer here almost fell off. Some workers made a shell. That didn't solve the problem because this laundry machine still kept vibrating, and that was just really annoying. So a worker came to fix it, and yeah, I'm gonna show you a video of that like right now. Like when they installed the laundry machine, they forgot to take all of the packaging off. So like it made the laundry machine malfunction. So yeah, it started making a bunch of vibrations and shaking the floor, as you saw in the video So now it's fixed. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. So bye guys, please subscribe and see you in the next video.